Hello friends, so in this video I would like to show you how to change light bulbs on this bike, and it has front and rear LED lamps, so most likely you won't ever gonna need to change them, but turning signals front and rear and number plate lights use like a standard bulbs, so eventually you're gonna need to change them. Most likely it's gonna be the front ones because while you're driving they stay always on, which is great for safety, but they will gonna be most likely first ones you're gonna need to change. And if you turn, it looks like this. For turning lights you just need to unscrew one bolt and that's it. And same is for both front and rear lights. You unscrew this bolt and you take this plastic and then you have access to your light bulb. Just don't forget to clean your bulb because like a fat from your fingers stays on it. Now it's the same for all turning lights, but front lights and front signals and rear signals use different bulbs. Now for number plate lights you need to unscrew those two bolts. And this is your light bulb. You just need to pull it and that's it. Here's your light. And same goes. So this is how you change your light bulbs.